Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Instagram has introduced a new type of sticker called Addiers, where people can contribute their own story post to share subject or theme. Hey guys, this is Iman from Tech Hunter, and in this video I will showing you how to use the new Instagram Addier sticker. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To create an Addier sticker of your own, first of all update your Instagram application. Then open Instagram application and begin creating a new story post. Choose a photo, then tap the sticker icon at the top. Select Addiers from the menu. Type in a prompt for what you would like people to add under your sticker. You can also tap the dash below to generate a random prompt if you can't think of anything yourself. Place the sticker wherever you would like. When you are done, go ahead and share your story post. When people view your story, they can tap Addiers to contribute their own images. You'll be able to see all the contributions when you tap on the top portion of the sticker. To contribute to an Addier sticker that someone else has shared, tap Addiers at the bottom of the sticker to begin creating a new post with the sticker included. You can snap a new photo or video or upload one from your device. Place the sticker wherever you would like it to sit on your image. Then go ahead and post your story. When people view your story, they can tap the sticker to add their own. If you tap the top part of the sticker, you can view all the contributions to this Addier sticker. That's all it takes to use the Addier sticker on Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.